Alright, welcome to Mr. Patch's Algebra 1 class video. This is my way of introducing myself to you and allowing you to know some things that go on in my classroom. I am sorry I'm not able to make it tonight, but this is hopefully will help you understand what goes on with our class. Just to let you know, the class itself, the test will count, say, 60%. The quizzes count 30%, and homework or notes counts 10%. It is important for them to do the homework and notes, because if they're not doing the homework and notes, they're not going to understand the test or the quizzes. I do allow for tests to be retested, but they need to make sure they're doing their best. I offer tutoring during lunch 4A. That is the only time I can offer tutoring right now. I hope to be able to add maybe a day or two after school. But I'm also the pool coordinator, diving coach, and so that kind of takes away from the time I can offer after school or before school. Please keep in mind that your child needs to have materials that they need. What they need for my class is a binder, preferably with paper, a pencil, or something to write with, and an open mind. And I know that sounds silly, but I get too often when I have a child telling me they just don't get it, they don't try, and they need to put in effort. So this, honestly, is probably the most important thing. Recommended materials for the class, I would like them to have a TI Nspire, because that is the calculator we use in class, and their iPad or some type of internet-capable device. We pretty much have an electronic textbook. Everything is put up online, all the assignments and everything. So having their iPad or internet-capable device at school that connect to the school Wi-Fi is highly recommended. At home, I do recommend that your child or that y'all have broadband internet, and mainly just because it'll make it easier for them when they connect. A typical day for my class is we usually start off with a starter problem. While they're doing the starter problem, I am checking notes and assignments to make sure they did it from the previous day. Then I will review the previous night notes and assignment and see if there's any questions and try to make sure they have a good understanding. Then they usually get at least 30 to 40 minutes to work in class on the assignment. So or whatever group work there may be. So the idea there is that, one, they're talking and helping with each other, but at the same time, they can ask me questions if they don't understand something. And then usually at the end, I remind students again what they need for the next day and what I'm going to be looking for. The big thing is that homework is video notes. Most of the time, the homework is video notes, and they are to finish the assignment if the student did not finish in class. So, let's say at least 2 to 3 times a week, they're going to have video notes. That could be their majority of their assignment, which means they need internet access so they can, say, watch the video and kind of go from there. All assignments and video notes are posted on edmodo.com, and your child should already be signed up to edmodo.com. There is an electronic textbook. It is in the syllabus. There is Edmodo. Again, they should have their username and password on their syllabus. Khan Academy and Alex, these are online tutoring things that are offered, and please check Skyward often. We will talk about the online tutoring. I will talk about that with your students as I can set that up better. If you do have any questions or concerns, please email me at umberto.patch@mcallenisd.net. You can call the school and ask to, arrange an appointment. My schedule is up on my door, but I would honestly, this would be the quickest way for you to get a response from me is through email. I do thank you for your time, and I apologize again for not being available, but I do hope this helps you understand what your child does in my class, and if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thank you very much.